What's up, guys? I'm Jasmine Rico, and you're watching Auto Insider. Thanks to our good friends at Bert Ogden, today we have the privilege of taking a look at the all-new 2022, all souped up Nissan Rogue. Do me a favor, will you? Hit that like and subscribe button down below. Oh, and hit that notification bell too. It just means you're gonna see our videos as soon as they drop on a bunch of cars you've gotta know about. The Nissan Rogue came on the scene in October 2007 for the 2008 model year. It's currently Nissan's best-selling vehicle in the United States, and now it's got more oomph under the hood. It's got a 1.5-liter variable compression turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. That's right, the Nissan Rogue is now turbocharged, and it's delivering plenty of power with Nissan's all-new Xtronic transmission. With a 17% wider gear ratio coverage and 32% lower friction, it's ultra efficient and eco-friendly. It's got best-in-class gas engine fuel economy, delivering 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. The Nissan Rogue reflects its spirit: fun, edgy, adventurous, and it's got some specific Nissan design features like a floating roof and a V-motion grille down below. You've got active air shutters, and I love the chrome accents on the grille and across the front fascia. Your headlights are LED. You've got your daytime running lamps, your headlights, and your fog lights are down below. You also have a special air curtain that makes sure that some of the airflow from the front is directed to the side to manage that air control of the engine compartment. Here on the side, you've got 19-inch wheels, Bridgestone tires. Your side mirrors have blind spot monitoring and their turn signal integrated into them as well. You've got roof rails on the top with a nice chrome touch and a nice chrome accent bar down below. Here in the back, you have full LED taillights. That's going to give you better illumination and more safety at night. You also have rear backup cameras, but not only do you have rear backup cameras, you have something called Nissan's Safety Shield 360. That includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, high beam assist, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and rear automatic braking. You also have a hands-free power liftgate, and you can fit so much back here, up to 4 golf bags, plenty of storage space, and I love the shelving unit. You have 2 shelving units here helping you maximize your storage space. The interior of the Nissan Rogue is designed to be a family hub, perfect for weekday life and weekend life. Check out these gorgeous quilted leather seats. They do come heated, and you've got a huge infotainment center. It comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also have a wireless charging station here in the front. I love that. You also have connectivity options. You have a USB port. You also have a USB-C port. You also have an electronic shifter. It makes sure that you have more space down below this floating center console. Here in the second row of the Nissan Rogue, your passengers are going to ride in comfort and in style. They still have that quilted leather design that carries on from the front seat to the back seat. You have a comfy armrest. They have their own cup holders. Oh, and let me remind you that these seats are heated. Passengers also have their own AC controls and their own AC vents. They also have a USB port and a USB-C port to make sure they have a place to charge all of their electronics, and back pockets for all of their snacks, and up above, a beautiful panoramic sunroof. The all-new 2022 Nissan Rogue is designed to help families take on all of their adventures. It's a real cutie with a ton of power, and Nissan's commitment to a more green ride is really cool. So are you excited about the all-new turbocharged Nissan Rogue? Leave me a comment in the comments below, and of course, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, share this with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. For Auto Insider, I'm Jasmine Rico.